Alright, hey guys, I'm back for another video. And this is a Lego City tanker truck, maybe? Yeah, tanker truck. And it's set number 60016. And it even says it on the license plate. Let me get over here. Let me just read because I can't read on here. HS60016 has the same number as the set. And this is not a ordinary truck that you would have in America. It looks more like a Euro style truck. And these do go up and down. Two lights, that one. You might not be able to see it, but that's a light and that's a light. Got your city sticker. And the doors do open. Have your octane sticker. And in here is, let me get it out for you guys. It's this yellow fire extinguisher. There's your ladder. And your minifigs can hold on to it. And you can make a trailer for this if you're wanting to. Man, I have no room on this table. Sorry about that. It does have your octane sticker, octane energy, your flammable sticker. Probably just means if you crash into it, it can blow up and kill you. But thing that can turn, I have no clue what they are. I just know they're on there. The exhaust, which some people call it smokestacks on a truck. And yeah, it's a pretty nice set. It's pretty decent. Yeah, you take this off and you can do that, and then when you're done, you do that. Grab this. You guys can hear Windows 7 in the background. Not my sister, I mean my mother's using the laptop. Yeah. It's pretty decent. And now, for a second, let me get a minifigure out. And sometimes it's hard to get your minifigure in a truck, but most of the other Octane sets, the other Octane Semi that had this regular cab, and yeah, and the cab, sorry about that noise in the background. Okay, well, sorry, I'm just listening. Yeah, this is your minifigure, but back to topic. On the old Semi, the guy that's delivering gas had a octane suit, and this guy doesn't. Looks like what just fell? I don't know.
I'm looking for the plug for the laptop.
Okay, I hope I can find a, but sorry about that, guys, but this is sort of like a towing suit, like not towing suit, but sometimes this comes in this towing series of Lego, and yeah, okay, it's not that long. Steering wheel, and sometimes when you put the minifigure in, it might bump that and it might fall out. But overall, let me put the minifigure back in there and show you one more time before we show you something else. And here's this custom thing that you guys should know about this truck that it can go on. Sorry, you can see up. What's on? Oh yeah, I have my that right in the background, that subwoofer radio. And I'll play it for a second because I just don't want to get sued. Not like really sued, but have to mute it. Like, not mute it, I mean like take it off of YouTube. Yeah, I turned it down because I don't want to get in trouble and then get grounded and then the cops show up. But yeah, back to the truck. That's your minifig. And now to accessories. Here's your gas. What's it called? Gas pump, yeah. I do not know what that's for, but I guess that's the thing that tells you how much you're spending, and that tells you, like, that's the thing you put your credit card in. I don't know. But you can grab... Crap. And this happens sometimes, and it goes right there if you forget. Crap. Oh. I think this is how it's supposed to go. No. Sorry about that. Oh. Goes on like that, and oh wow, this is good lighting for this review. For the white, red, and green. But that is the only fall that's it's gray. I think they should have made it white. And I kind of really do like the minifig for this set, but kind of wish it said Octane. I'm not like sure about you. Write in the comments your opinion about it. And sorry for stuttering. It's just what? It's not your. And yeah, I'm trying to line it up. You guys can see. And I can fit it on a 1-lane custom bridge. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Pretty nice. Wait, let me slide it over here. It's pretty nice, just like I was saying. And this bridge support's really good. Yeah, it's pretty nice, and that's your entrance. Come on, give me a second. Try not. And yeah, that's pretty nice. The front end looks like this way. And that's one fall of my bridge, and I'm gonna still fix it up. But yeah. Just before we go, I'm gonna spin it around for you guys to see. It's only 19 $19.95 at Walmart. So yeah, it's kind of more expensive at Toys R Us, but just $1 more. Toys R Us, but yeah, this is a pretty good set. And just so you don't forget, there's a fire extinguisher in there. And yeah, rate, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.